What's up guys? Today in this video we're going to be making a custom intake for my Dodge. You guys haven't seen this Dodge yet. Picked it up about 2 months ago. I got some wheels on it. You can show the truck, buddy. I've been doing a little bit of engine mods to it. You know, if you guys want to see some of the stuff that I do to this engine, just go comment and tell me what you want to see. But yeah, so first thing you're gonna need to do to make your intake is take out the stock intake. If your truck is a turbo diesel, go ahead, while you got that intake off, make sure you don't have any play in there, back and forth, up and down. We don't have any play, so we're good. All right. So what I've been using is just some 4-inch exhaust pipe that I had cut off to put my tip on there. Today I do have a special guest. He's the video man. So Logan, go ahead and show yourself.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. That's my friend Logan. He will probably be in a lot of future videos. So what I did was I just used the bandsaw over there to cut the angles that I want, since I do not have a big pipe bender that I might need if I were wanting to bend my pipe. So if you cut these angles on there, you can just, you know, put them on there and weld it back. And then I'm gonna tack weld these together and then go ahead and test fit it, see how it works. But before I weld them, I'm gonna make sure I clean all these shavings out, because you do not want that going in your turbo. Mm-mm. So I got her all welded up. The welds are not pretty at all. So what I'm gonna do is just go over there and clean them up with the grinder. And yeah, I already test fitted a little bit. Might need to shave a little bit off right here, just because it wants to bump into the alternator. So yeah. Finish the whole intake. I had to order this coupler online because they didn't have any 4-inch ones at the auto parts stores. They have 2.5 and 3-inch for all the gas cars, but diesel intake is always 4 inches. Well, 4 inches or more. And I had went to Lowe's to see if I could use this piece of plumbing. It's 4 inches, but it's for a 4-inch pipe, so that's different. But I did end up being able to use it by using it to keep the brace from rubbing into my pipe and holding it in place. Also, it's rubber, so whenever the engine torques over, it will be able to flex. I ended up adding a couple more pie pieces right here just to make it clear the alternator a little bit better. Yeah, I've had it on there since last night, and I can definitely tell a difference with it. You can hear the turbo blows off, and it's pretty awesome. I'm probably gonna paint it pretty soon whenever I paint everything else in the engine bay. I was thinking about painting everything purple or possibly red, but I don't really want to do red. Kind of want to do like a dark purple. I'm gonna paint all the valve covers purple and maybe my piping purple. At least this piece of pipe right here. So yeah, I'll show you guys a video of what this thing can do.
Go.